Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix connecting to Ultimate Team is not possible at the moment. You will now be returned to the main menu. So if you are getting this error in EA Sports FC26, then here what you can do. Let me tell you, the problem is not on your side and it is not your device or internet issue. The problem is from the EA side. They are currently facing the problem in their online services, which generally happens when EA server for FC26 is down, having outage, under maintenance, or if their servers are offline. You can check the EA FC26 server status from the following sources. This is the official EA website and this is a down detector website. Links are provided in my video description. So when you check the EA official website, scroll down and look for the EA Sports FC26. Here it is. It is showing online on their official website. But if you check the down detector website, then you will see that EA is having the problem with servers. There are many reports that is reported by various players and users, and you can see so many players have reported the problem. So currently they are facing the server issues. So in such scenarios you have to wait until their server status get back online or restored, and then you can check later. This will fix automatically after few hours. But in the meantime, you can follow these fixes. First fix is to restart your device or restart your Wi-Fi router, and then you can check if your FC26 is working or not. Fix 2 is to try using mobile data, cellular data via hotspot and then check. Or if possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network and then check. Fix 3 is to connect to a VPN. So install any reputed VPN such as NordVPN, Proton VPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark VPN, etc. And then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different region or country than your current location. And then you can check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve. Connecting to Ultimate Team is not possible at the moment in EA Sports FC26. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.